Here we have a 2018 BMW 330e M Sport Shadow Edition. This car does come with four 19-inch unmarked, unscratched black alloys, complemented by the blue calipers just behind. We've also got the M Performance styling kit on this vehicle, so you've got the front splitter just here, finished in black. We've also got the black kidney grille just there and LED headlights. Another look at the second wheel just here. Coming back, you'll notice we've got a charging point just here, as this vehicle is a hybrid, so you will get ultra low running costs when driving this about. We've also got the privacy glass, shark fin antenna, black trim around the windows and black wing mirrors. Another look at the wheel just here. We've also got the extended side skirt just there, finished in black, as well as a black spoiler lip and black rear diffuser. Coming round to the back, we have got the front and rear parking sensors with this car. At this point, I think it's fair to say the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Another look at this wheel just here. Coming inside, we have got a full Dakota leather interior, fold down armrest, ISO fixed points, 12-volt connectivity, storage nets behind the front seats, as well as leather, blue trim, blue stitching, brushed metal handle, electric windows and integrated speakers. Coming into the front, we've got the Dakota leather front seats just there on the door. I'll step in out of the rain. We've got the leather, blue accents, blue stitching, brushed metal handle, electric windows and electric wing mirrors. We've also got a premium uprated Harman Kardon sound system in this vehicle. And I'll start it up. As you can see, the vehicle has covered just over 35,900 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We've then got the multifunctional steering wheel, speed limiter, cruise control, phone controls and volume controls. We've then got the paddle shifters for taking manual control, as well as auto wipers, auto lights down there, auto lights here. Moving into the middle, we've got the navigation, different forms of media connectivity like CD and Bluetooth. Then got phone connectivity and different driving modes as well. So we've got Sports Plus, Sports, Comfort and Eco Pro. If you put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see that we do have front and rear parking sensors. Back into park, back into navigation. Moving down, we've got the stereo controls as well as dual climate controls and air conditioning. Down here we've got two good sized cup holders underneath here, the button for traction control, your different driving modes, parking sensor button and an e-drive button, as well as the automatic gear stick. We can also take manual control by switching across here and going down or up a gear this way as well. Back into park. Then I've got the control wheel for controlling the infotainment system, the Dakota leather armrest just here, and have a look at those seats. And the vehicle is ready to drive away with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive finance, fresh MOT, fresh service and is HPI clear. That's all from me. Thank you for listening. Video test drive of a 2018 BMW 330e M Sport Shadow Edition. The purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with a steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. I'll also talk about some of the vehicle's functions and show you them in demonstration. So cruise control, press the button, flick the switch up, and we're now sat at 56 miles an hour. I can also demonstrate some gear changes for you using the paddle shifters. So currently in 6th gear, down into 5th, down into 4th, and back up to 5th, back into 6th. As you can tell from my body movements and the surroundings outside, there was no jerky movements, completely seamless transitions, no knocks, no bangs, just everything working as it should. I'm now approaching the roundabout where I'll be taking a left turn, as if you were here with us today. The vehicle is a hybrid, so you will have ultra low running costs when driving this about. It's also a very nice place to be in here. We've got the full Dakota leather seats, premium uprated sound system, and all of your modern features on the stereo as well, like Bluetooth, phone connectivity, navigation, DAB radio. So it's a really nice place to be. Could happily do 200, 300, 400 miles in this vehicle with ease. We have been doing deliveries at RS Car Sales for the past 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last year and a half. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge effect on many businesses and still is doing to this day, we feel like we're quite well prepared. So we have adjusted our deliveries ever so slightly, and they are now contactless. And what this means is we'll sanitize our hands, sanitize the keys, and just do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself. We are a 5-star dealership. If you look online, you'll see we've got way over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Auto Trader alone, and many more on other sites such as Car Gurus. If you look at these reviews, you will see that people really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a great buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your families, and even come back for your next vehicle purchase when the time is due. I'm just about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake and put the vehicle into reverse to show you everything works as it should. So I'll perform an emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. As you can see, very sharp brakes, perfectly working. Into reverse, no problems there. We have got the front and rear parking sensors there as well. So this is where you'd usually be incredibly happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what deal you can work out. Obviously that isn't possible at the moment due to the COVID-19 situation. However, feel free to get in touch. We do welcome part exchanges. Just let us know the make, the model and the condition of that vehicle. But yes, if there's anything else we have missed in either the online photos, the video walk around, or the driving review just here as well, get in touch and we'd be more than happy to do a FaceTime video call with yourself, walk around the vehicle, show any specific components, answer any specific questions, and really just show you what the vehicle has to offer. But until then, that's all from me, and we'll hopefully hear from you soon.